equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure your HP EliteBook 840G5 is powered off. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a clean workspace. First, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once open, check for dust and debris. Use compressed air to clean the internal components gently. This helps with airflow and performance. Next, locate the BIOS chip. It's usually near the battery. Before proceeding, ensure your laptop is plugged in. Download the latest BIOS update from the HP website. Transfer it to a USB drive. Insert the USB into your laptop. Now, power on the device and press the F10 key to enter the BIOS setup. Navigate to the Update section. Select the USB drive and follow the prompts to update the BIOS. This process may take a few minutes. After the update, check for any visual issues. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Once done, reassemble your laptop and enjoy improved performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.